Welcome to this course on ChatGPT for Python users. In this class, you'll learn how to supercharge your Python programming with the use of this powerful AI tool by OpenAI. You'll quickly learn how to harness the power of AI using ChatGPT while programming in Python. So whether you're programming for your personal self or you have a job as a Python programmer or are looking for a job with Python programming, knowing how to use ChatGPT in conjunction will really make you a better programmer and a much more desirable candidate for that next job or promotion. My name is Phil Ebner, and I've created some of the world's most popular and student favorite courses out there, including courses on how to use ChatGPT for personal and business use. With this class, I've partnered with Fede, who is an amazing Python programmer, and he's going to teach you everything you need to know to get started using ChatGPT for Python. By the end of this class, you'll understand how ChatGPT works in relation to Python, how to customize requests using ChatGPT. You'll know how to process and analyze ChatGPT responses to obtain more specific and controlled results, how to create practical applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, content generators, sentiment analyzers, and much more. This course is full of theoretical and practical applications. You'll see real-world case studies of us using ChatGPT with Python, and you'll be able to do the same starting in the next 10-15 minutes. We'll be here with you every step of the way. If you ever get stuck, we're here to help. So if you're excited to learn how you can use ChatGPT as a Python programmer, jump into the course content, and we'll see you in the next lesson.